all-terrain vehicle. All-terrain vehicle, it handles tough terrains. B is for bus, bus. It carries many people. C is for car, car. It's great for getting around. D is for digger, digger. It digs deep into the ground. E is for electric scooter, electric scooter. It's quite an eco-friendly. F is for ferry, ferry. It carries people across water. G is for garbage truck, garbage truck. It keeps our streets clean. H is for hovercraft, hovercraft. It glides over land and water. I is for ice cream cart, ice cream cart. It brings treats on wheels. J is for jetpack, jetpack. It lets you fly like a rocket. K is for cart, cart. It's perfect for racing fun. L is for lift, lift. It raises things high up. M is for moped, moped. It's a small and speedy scooter. N is for naval ship, naval ship. It protects the seas. O is for off-road car, off-road car. It handles bumpy trails. P is for plane, pop plane. It flies high in the sky. Q is for quad bike, quad bike. It's made for adventures. R is for rickshaw, rickshaw. It's powered by pedals or engines. S is for snow plow, snow plow. It clears snowy roads. T is for tank, tank. It's strong and built for defense. U is for utility truck, utility truck. It carries tools and goods. V is for van, van. It's great for deliveries. W is for wagon, wagon. It's pulled to carry things. X is for X-wing plane, X-wing plane. It's futuristic and sleek. Y is for yacht, yacht. It sails in style on water. Z is for Zeppelin, Zeppelin. It floats gently in the sky. Vehicles are amazing for A to Z. On land, air, and sea, they're fun to see. Sing it again, come learn with me. Let's explore the world of vehicles. Whee!